Health leaders in South Carolina say COVID tests could be the path to getting back to a more normal life. They want schools to implement this program they call Test to Stay. And the state says it hopes that will mean fewer children are missing school because of a COVID exposure.
WCNC Charlotte's Indira Esquiva live in York County with how South Carolina is preparing to introduce the program to school districts. Indira?
Fred, Vanessa, the state has ordered more than 1 million rapid testing kits like this one that will go to schools all across the state. But you know, this program is not a new one because some school districts in the country have had it for months. South Carolina's Director of Public Health is encouraging school districts to adopt the Test to Stay program, which allows unvaccinated students who have close contact with someone who has COVID to still stay in school if they take a rapid COVID test and test negative. Vaccinated students don't have to quarantine.
With Test to Stay, really there should not be children who are having to miss school to quarantine. And so that is a huge step towards getting back to our normal reality.
The CDC supported the program after it was piloted at 90 schools last fall in Lake County, Illinois. Lake County's regional superintendent, Dr. Michael Carner, says fewer students miss out on instructional time because of the program.
The schools were actually a very safe place. Test to Stay identified that there was less than 2% positivity for those students who were actually tested. So 98% of the kids, when they actually participate in Test to Stay, were not coming up positive for COVID.
But Lake County's Test to Stay program does differ from South Carolina's. In Lake County, students exposed to COVID test on days 1, 3, 5, and 7 after exposure. In South Carolina, students would stay in school and wear masks, but only test between days 5 and 7. Dr. Brennan Traxler says it's because testing is an addition to wearing masks and staying home if you have symptoms.
It's important to keep our kids in an in-person learning environment, but it's equally important that they be safe in that environment with as little risk of infection as possible.
Now, DHEC is hosting a town hall tomorrow where district leaders can ask questions about the program. I did reach out to all of the school districts in our viewing area in South Carolina, and all of them told me that they are waiting until that town hall and until they learn more about the program before they decide whether or not they'll participate. Live in York County, Indira Esquiva, WCNC Charlotte.
Indira, thank you.